Do yourself a massive favour and watch to the end of this video, as I can assure you by the end of the video you will know what SEO is, what VidIQ is, and how to use it to your advantage, and use it also to optimize your YouTube videos even better and grow your YouTube channel. Hey there everybody, I hope you're all well. I'm Leon and I produce content every week focused on video production, making money online, tutorials and entrepreneurship. So as the title implies, this video is all about how you can not use VidIQ to optimize your YouTube videos. Do yourself a favour and keep watching to the end and you'll understand exactly how to use VidIQ to your advantage. And please be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on and leave a like in this video, as it will help it boost in the YouTube algorithm. Without any further hesitation, let's jump right into this video. So for starters, what is SEO? Well, SEO basically stands for search engine optimization, and it means the process of improving your site to increase its visibility when people search for products or services related to your business in Google, Bing and other search engines, including YouTube. Better visibility your pages have in search results, the more likely you are to garner attention and attract prospective and existing customers to your business. So the second question is, what is a VidIQ? Well, you see, VidIQ is basically a free Chrome extension for YouTube which helps you with the SEO and basically simplifies the process by generating keywords essentially for your descriptions, your tags and your titles. So it even comes up with titles as well to obviously get those views in. And it also has a channel auditing feature. I have no idea what that's about, what that does, by the way. And it even has a YouTube channel for you to check out as well. So how exactly do you use VidIQ? Well, you see, all you have to do is launch your browser, go to the Chrome App Store and head to the YouTube website, and what you will see on the top right is some statistics based on your views, subscribers, your watch time, and the final part of this video, why do me in the business think that VidIQ is a lot better to use than any other alternative YouTube SEO tool. For starters, it's more accurate, so the statistics are more accurate, it looks better, and because realistically me and the business prefer to use VidIQ and we trust it more. And the VidIQ YouTube channel uploads very consistently with tutorials, insights, advice and guidance on, like, for example, they make videos on how to gain subscribers, views, and they essentially just help you with your YouTube journey. And that right there is the end of the video. If you wish to see more of this content, then please be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on. Leave a like as it's good for the YouTube algorithm and search results, and comment down below what your preferred YouTube SEO tool is, and it will be pinned as top comment. And share this video around to help it get more attention. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.